top-down truck stop. In this early version of the story, McQueen gets separated from Mac after he takes a break at a truck stop.
What's going on, Mac? Why are we stopping?
Well, we kind of hit a moth blizzard back there, you know. Got a grill full, can't even see. I gotta wash up.
You do realize we're going 0 miles an hour right now. All those cars we passed, they're getting ahead.
Don't worry, I'll be back in a minute. You can time me. Oh boy, I need a double shot of Diesel Espresso bad.